over and over. It seems all purpose be to trend.
Me, that's what I didn't like. Say,
boy, sorry. So no one cannot. But me from a presenter's point of view, because it hurts when especially that person is your only guest or they never build the whole show.
Even if he's not the only guest, once you've informed there are thousands of people out there and on make it date say Onipa way by it. No, Nipa na show up.
I have a fault, and where I have a fault again is Nipa na say 10 minutes and so now someone rema 30 minutes now untimi interview no. Na kid ko perform me or how many minutes they perform me?
My take on this whole thing in now.
Oh.
Me what problem say at least
30 minutes.
And Onipa na ba. See, sometimes we share international networks ni bina within a matter of like 3 minutes. Big shot on the team say, oh yeah,
Jay-Z,
just 3 minutes.
Powerful,
straight to the point. This all did it.
Maybe be send another room. You say, or purpose be send up so
how come say just few minutes now? Can or no to me find your interview.
Funny enough. Question me bisa na about 30 minutes. Catch me so be LPM. Me come to Zambia. Uni mejuma me LPM. There how many minutes? 30 minutes LPM.
It's not make us. Who say earlier? I touched on production. Those days now me hosting entertainment show.
Yeah man.
Say you booking interviews.
Yeah man.
Na say onipa no time we share no na so onipa no buy then times the otema. Obi abefre. Oh papa onipa ko na oh so na moto we so oba. Whatever it is that I need to do on the show, ebi aka may interview before my other things. That is when you need to change and bring in other.
Yeah. It's about the way I made me so many na obi anya ade because obi anya ade me we obi anya ade
obi anya ade we shouldn't make it look like boy and as a host why you bone ama. You see in his situation obet me about me problem ne ade no mo ye o mo de to obi ehun say I say me kire nkofo say me twina ni
me twina ba so for ni bohye mu sisi atia ye case
ba ye ma we ye ma sa de we abai enye lesson for all of us.
He said it
because it is bad say producers be book interview with obi na onipa ko emba and na say why you unim say kromu traffic situation said the here
entino asimuntem.
Yes, once you have the interview.
You also for identity.
Oh, and it's not nice.
I'm not here on Facebook because the Jerry Ghanaians don't respect time.
It is
simple. Presenter is right. If you don't respect time, you are not going anywhere. That's true.
We don't respect time. Yeah, time when you
it's right. My main next story in a public announcement.
All right. Yeah, now I'm quite.
Public announcement. Public announcements. Artists, it's about time. They feel, or ye kiddie, or ye Kwame Eugene, or ye waiting to know. Yeah, time and pen and meba. No, Brajery. They shouldn't feel like you see, Benkum dry ni fana ni fair dry benku. And I Ghana for no. As a obi was sika. And I will be a celebrator or mean can asem. When the person is wrong, let's tell the person, yo, a woman saw a big star, but you away the way you're wrong.
No, if something is wrong, it's wrong. I've heard people saying in another room, you are there, no,
maybe sound the I'll catch him so you told me this morning, say, yes, shatter.
Why should you
say he would have done same?
No,
or say shatter, he would have done same.
You should call a spade, simple. Yeah, respect time. Yeah, respect time.
No, yes, sir. Because
and if
it's not fair, one last thing.
Me one last thing. If what bookie interview, what wants to say more about interview at this time, and should something happen, now who's at the name immediately inform me production team. If they had called Nana Romeo, say, oh Nana, maybe I didn't say anything, Charlie, Anka. Program time here for Charlie phone. We can't be there looking at traffic.
Communication.
Better
communication. Oh, traffic may but
we all feel big and time be able to do it. It is wrong.
It's wrong.
Just call. Even if you cannot make it, Charlie. Oh, Ebia. or the more friend phones and can be chatting for maybe I schedule and
just
do that
on Facebook. Because you see, that's why black people, we cannot progress. So time is money. So if you spend it, that's all. So if you are an artist, means we should give you the whole day. To me, what the presenter did was right. We deal with time. I think it boils down to time and discipline.
Yeah.
But there's a difference between who discipline or who go be any man. They should get that frustrated. What is Flo Kingston? Bra. 6 minutes non-stop rap. Jesus is Lord.
Yeah.
Would you be uncle to Flo Kingston new song on a bra? Jerry. Akwani boy for Sunny way jatty way. What you say? No one or the question studio was spitting at dinner 6 minutes non-stop. Or we no catch I say Yenkotie.
Say
go for baby.
Or person who prove it to me now say Nema missing him. Ne brother can say
he's the best rapper.
Yeah, yeah.
I did Meko na obuafu pan ti mami nyawo mami nyawo na ne de mince pizza omo hia me adum TV bisanyom so next.
All right abusia said ya no me and me dwanti no me kwaro no ne ade but happy birthday going out to my beautiful sister Doreen. Okay, my beautiful sisters Doreen and Dorothy. May God bless you guys so much. I love you both. And this one's coming from DJ Lux in Spain. And then here, this one here says, greetings going out to Corporal Isaac Archery, Community 2 Police Station, and Owo from Isabella Gidiglo. Okay. All right. Ajoma said, I always admire the respect and respect Komladumo. He hosted a program at the conference center and started at 10 a.m. And by 10 a.m., after 10, he started without the minister as a guest of honor. Oh my, I started. Obeto so attend be at to be near Twaso. Yeah, for time no and to and chill. Charlie, on my board notes is checkout time already, guys.